Hello students, now we are going to see here first lessons, ninth exercise. So here we have to join the two sentences with the expressions, adult conjunctions, but we are using no in English, same way. Il y a un accident, la circulation est blockée. There was an accident, the movement of the traffic is blocked. Two sentences are present here. You must join these two sentences in a single sentence using because or since or as, like this. So what we can use here, you must think and ask. Expression is there is an accident, the traffic is, the crowd has blocked the traffic. So you can use here making a common word to make this as a single sentence. Pliska means since. Since if you use, it is apt for here. Puisqu'il y a un accident, la circulation est bloquée. Since there was an accident, the movement of the traffic is blocked. Second one. Mes voisins sont inquiets. My neighbors are worried. Leur fille n'est pas encore rentrée. Their doctor still not returned. My neighbors are worried. They are doctors. She is still not returned. So you must join this. So any expression you can use here. According to this sentence, because is apt here. So parce que because. Le fille n'est pas encore rentré. My neighbors are worried because their doctor is still not returned. So it is because is a expression word we are used here, making this two sentence as a single sentence. So make a reasons. The neighbors are worried because their daughter are coming not returned. They are still it's not returned. Third one. Leve obtain une meilleure note. The students are obtained or got the best mark. Il a bien travaillé. He has worked well. So the students are getting better mark. He has worked well. What word is apt here? Because. Yes. The students are got best mark because he is worked hard. Okay. The big reason is because. Paska is because. Next, fourth one. Elle est très riche. She is rich. Elle voyage souvent. She travel often. Sure means often. She is rich. She travel often. So you must come. Come means as. As he is rich, he travel often. She travel often. As she is rich, very rich, she travel often. So we are using as. Three word only. Plus que, parce que, of. La mère amène son fils chez la médecin. The mother is taking her son to the doctor. Son fils est enrhumé. His son has got cold. Her son has got cold. La mother taking his son to the doctor because parce que son fils est enrhumé. Her son is got fever or cold. Okay. So you must use only three word conditional word here. Puisque, parce que, because, comme, as. Very, very easy. Thank you, girls.